What is up, everyone? How you doing? It is another cold day here. It's 20 degrees. Oh well. Oh, we got B-Hall here on his lunch break, and he's decided to take on a mission for himself for the week. B, what the heck are you doing?
I decided to fully polish this cover.
You're a sick man, you know that?
Yeah, you guys need to wish me luck because this is a journey. Okay.
It looks easy, but then you realize you have to go all through this.
This is this take me no time at all to polish right here. That's easy. I gotta come in here by hand and just go sick with it.
This is gonna be pretty sweet. I've never seen a polished 1J cover.
If you guys have, let us know.
Yeah, we were trying to find one, and we just couldn't do it. So if you have a friend or a dude on Instagram you follow, put it in the description because put it in the comments because I really want to see it. And I think it's gonna be pretty badass. But
I might go crazy. You guys may never see me again. I might hate Jimmy after this.
This looks like a pain in the ass.
It was fully my idea. I'm down for the challenge. I want to see what I can do here.
You got a lot of work to do, boy.
We're getting there. I'm almost done with 320. I'm feeling good.
Yeah, you got what, 6 more steps to go?
Yeah, at least. No, more than that.
Alright guys, what is up for today? We are doing some more stuff to the S13 to get it ready for the 1J swap. Now, we don't have many parts for the 1J yet. Like I said before, it's a very last minute, very last minute project, and balls rolling. We're waiting for stuff to come in. But today we have to get the brake stuff ready.
Brake stuff.
And the best time to do it is when the engine's out, and that's now. So, if you remember, I repainted my brake booster. I have to get a new master cylinder because I blew mine the heck out last season. So I got that. Came in today courtesy of Jip. He brought it down because came into the wrong address.
Jip PS.
Right here, the Freshie, the new master cylinder. We're gonna bolt this on very soon, but we're gonna be doing something a little bit different, and that is we're gonna be running custom new brake lines in the engine bay instead of just throwing in the old pre-bent ones that came from the factory. Sound fun? That sound interesting?
Like a blast.
We won't be using regular, typical coated lines. What we'll be using today is my favorite, the good old-fashioned.
24 karat.
Yeah, what is this?
24 karat. The rose gold.
We're not flexing that hard. This is the nickel copper line. Copper nickel alloy. There you go. This stuff is awesome. One, because
Tapioca coated.
One, because it looks sick. 2, it's super easy to work with, and 3, it seals up really well. This stuff is really malleable compared to the steel line where you have to physically bend it with a bender. This you can bend by hand. You can run it in very tight spots, and it doesn't rust. And you take some polish to it, and this stuff looks badass. So if you guys are doing any type of pretty engine bay project or just want to make your life easier, I suggest it. It's the shit. So we're gonna be doing new lines in the engine bay and making that look all pretty and going from there. Freshie master, we gotta throw it on because we gotta know where the hell the lines are going. Look at this, dude. Freshie. Every season comes back stronger. Chill.
I thought you said pump it.
What?
You said pump it. Right?
Yeah, we gotta bleed it.
That's what I'm doing.
Jimmy,
All right, now hold. Okay, we let go.
Do I hold?
Pump.
Pump.
All right, now hold. All right, we got good fluid. Never mind. All right, lock it up.
Good pressure?
Yeah.
All right, so we have 3 ports on the master cylinder. We have, shit, I forgot. One's for the front left, one's for the front right, and one just goes to the rear. I don't like this angle.
I know. I'm trying to go creative right now.
So we have to go one right here, and then 2 of them have to go over to right here, which goes to the rear lines, and another one goes through here, which is the front right line, and should be easy peasy.
Are you a fan of POV or kind of?
Are you a fan of POV? What's your go-to?
All right, I'm cutting this off. We don't need to know.
DJ, show me what you're gonna do to DJ.
And then wear him like a trophy.
So we're gonna do our first brake line, and we're gonna do the easy one first because it's easy. So we're gonna do our shortest brake line, which is gonna be our front left, which is gonna be this one right here, and we gotta bring this to here. So the OEM one actually has it like come up and around the master and then go back down, which I can understand, just to keep it as far away from the exhaust manifold right here as we can and keep it away from everything, since we our exhaust should be on this side now. I don't really have to worry about it so much. So I'm thinking we're gonna come down and just leave it on this side. I think it'll still look pretty good. Measured up really quickly. We're gonna just guess about 26 inches, cut it off and start bending and flaring. We got our line, right? We're gonna do a brake line flare. We're gonna do a double flare.
What's a double flare?
The most common automotive flare out there. Maybe not. I don't know. Bubble
Definitely not common.
Bubble flares are pretty common too, I guess. All right, so we have our flaring. We have our blank line. If this is already capped or something, put the fitting on now.
Get a
or else
clue.
you're gonna regret your life. So we're gonna slip it in this Johnny right here, this contraption. I'm gonna bring it down here, and we got this piece. See that little bottom mark right there? Same height. Stick it out. Right there. All right, clamp her in there real nice. It's nickel line, so don't crush it. Some of these cheap kits will just crush it. So we're gonna take this little fitting now, what we got here, after you clean this up, because it's nice and clean, you know. Drop her in there. Jip, spit on it. Get out of here. We're gonna take this little cone John right here.
Clamp boy.
Clamp boy, we're gonna take this clamp boy. And we're gonna just smush it real nice.
Not too much though.
Now we're gonna fucking let her eat. Seated.
Wait, let me get the shot.
You see that?
Wow.
Wow. Take her off. Pull her out. That's a first flare.
First flare.
What makes this a double flare is we're gonna let her eat one more time without the fitting. We're
Without the fitting,
we're going raw this time, boys.
They're back.
Give it a little kiss.
Give it 1 metric human oogadug.
Don't.
There it goes. That was the one. Stop.
We'll give her pucker up real nice.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna take this off. DJ looks schemy.
What?
And look at that. That is a textbook flare right there.
Wow.
Hashtag perfect.
That looks so familiar.
Take our little fitting.
Oh, fitting.
Slip her on.
Holy.
Ooh. Ooh. How do you do? Pretty nice, right?
Dude, that's sick.
Textbook. So if it's a steel line, it means you can't really bend it by hand too well. You're gonna need a tool, so you're gonna have to figure out other means. But nickel copper, you can bend it by hand.
Kickle knopper.
So we're gonna do this by hand. We're gonna kind of just work this around, have it come down, and then probably over and up, and we have to go right through here. Use like a I don't know, like a socket or something round just to.
Anything with a good radius.
A dingle finger?
I don't want to use a dingle finger.
You know where that's been? See, this stuff is so soft. You just have to make sure you don't kink it right where it comes out of the fitting.
Oh yeah, oh, because it will.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Okay.
Yep, and then you come up and go right through.
So we just have it going through, and I like it. The only thing that I don't like too much about the nickel copper line is like it gets a little like squirrely looking, especially when you do it by hand. But you can always kind of feather it out. The stainless line is nice because you have like really crisp edges. So it's all what kind of style you like. But so for these two lines, we're gonna end up going all the way over here. The OEM lines actually go up and then follow this right here and then go back down. We're thinking of hiding it underneath this factory lip right here because it's pretty big. You can see there's 2 fingers in here. So I think we're just gonna walk it back. We're gonna try and match this angle. Come up here, come up, go through, come down and do that stuff. Oh, I guess we could just start.
Boy, yeah.
Show him, Brian. Show him.
We're learning. We're learning. Aren't we, Tucker?
Tucker School.
Tucker knows some tricks now. Right, Tucker?
Tell the camera.
You do paw. You do paw easy. Good boy. No problem. Always good. He's got it, guys.
All right, we did it, kind of. So it's a little rough right now. We're gonna clean up this little wrinkle right here. I wish the bend isn't perfect, but I think it's pretty good. So we're gonna run this over and just keep feeding it under.
Doing some Volkswagen stuff here.
Yeah, literally. It's cool though, because this, I mean, if you're gonna do brake lines, might as well just try this. It's
Also
fun.
make it look nice.
There's probably better ways to do this, but it's working.
So when you have a parts bin, you get to dig in and find cool stuff like this.
Yes, so we're actually gonna utilize this, and we're just gonna trim this here. So now we're thinking, we're originally gonna go down and over, but now we're thinking walking it and using this tab and then getting into this hole right here. So
Factory clips are cool.
they are cool. Yeah, so we're still gonna take it off and just like clean up the edges, because you can see it's not like perfectly straight here. It's a little wonky there, but once it's all in position, then you can kind of go back and work it out. So we're gonna bend this in, good to go, and then we're gonna work on the line that goes from the front, right here, all the way to this line right here that brings it all the way to the rear.
Damn, B, you're still going at it.
Pretty much, I mean, we don't have any finer sandpaper than this here right now.
What is that, 1500?
It's 1500.
All right, so B's done a sanding all the way from what? What'd you start with?
Started at 220.
220. He's been working his way up to 1500. He's almost ready for some compounds. It's exciting.
It is exciting. I'm excited.
What are you doing? Nice.
Raya's finally made it to the. This is the fun step.
Yeah. Time? Okay. God damn.
It's not done, but
There we go. That's what I wanted to see. You guys can see me. What's up, y'all? What? Huh? You got something to say? Huh? Say.
Lincoln Mile.
Come on.
Tell him, Tucker.
Swing first, Tucker. Drum roll, please. How's she look, Garrett?
Blinging.
Oh my God. That's icy. I can't wait to get the manifolds on here.
yeah, I just wanted to get an idea. It still needs a lot more polish.
It looks good in the light, though.
Yeah. No,
There
I'm
you go.
excited.
That's the angle. Makes it look.
It's gonna look sick when the hood's closed.
Oh, look at this view. Look how nice it looks in this. Okay.
Yeah, very half-ass polish so far, but
Dude, that's sick.
jeez.
I don't think they allow that.
God damn. Got the VVS valve cover or
VVT.
yeah.
BVTI.
No VVS. Oh come on, some viewers will get that.
No, it was a
VV
cross joke.
The VVS
What is it?
viewers, VVS diamonds, boy.
I don't know.
It's like something they say in rap song. They're like VVS my chain, some shit. I don't even. I technically don't even know what it means, but I just know that it means shiny, and this shit shining like wet diamonds.
It's a VHS. Do you guys even know what that is?
All right, so back to the brake lines. I finished the last line and I'm pretty happy with it. So they come off here, under there. We have them come down and then right into the fitting. So I still want to go back and get this a little bit straighter, use a flat edge and really bend it smooth. But I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty stoked. The gold copper look looks really badass against the black. And you don't see it underneath the pinch weld. Definitely love it. Came out better than I thought. And of course, guys, this stuff is cheap and easy. You could always go like braid line and do all that, and that's really expensive. This stuff was like $45 for everything, and you could just do it by yourself. So that's pretty sick. So for you guys that like easy to work with brake lines and like fancy engine bays, nickel copper line's the way to go. So yeah, we got that done today. So that is one last thing we now need to do before the JZ goes in, and the parts are almost here, which means we can really start getting to work. So that's about it. I'm excited. Today was cool. So I'm gonna end it here. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I will see you guys tomorrow.